Nãy cả trong cáo. Ôi trời. Ngàyนี้เฮียงหมกย้ำโป้งตูดบ่มพดแบบนี้เราโคตรเราทุ่มบ่มพดแบบนี้โอ้ start with the smallest one เอาเนี่ยตูดจึงเกยบ่มพดแต่อะไรยังแคร็กไม่เซอปุ้งเพียวมวยเลย oh my god ตูดมวยok ở chỗ bông sao okay this egg right here นี่คือฟองซอสเราคือปัจจัยสกอร์ไทยนั่งฟองซอสเยอะเราคือnhầm là Ostrich ngon nhưng chỉ bông Ostrich nào thì bông này sẽ bắn ba nhưng mà oh my god tay tầm đánh bênนี้มันtrong mẹ chip ấy à phải là nó như mà sạ to thế mới à ô oh trời look at that oh my god the most important part is protein Ostrich egg has a lot of protein remember guys yeah. Tình sợ ngọt hiền mường phải đôi mật măng mà đượcวันนี้anh nhâm ăn mà oh my god nhâm ăn mà thủ sao Hello. Hola, Carlos. Đâu là? Ostrich egg nào nữa. Okay. Cuốn nhá, con dao. So protein nào rồi. Oh my god. This thing is massive. Okay. Bạn nhắm tiếng anh. Ở đây dùng slice. Let me. Oh. Oh my god. This thing could fit the whole family. Ở cái tròn bánh tét đó đâu kìa. Why is that egg like? It's like a jelly for some reason. Right here, But if I were to be honest, this egg kind of like make me get sick actually, because like the amount of I can say the protein in it is too much. I think that's just my personal preference, opinion actually.
Do not move it, please.
Bye. See you guys later, guys.